This is totally with my SADRAM hat here. So Jason will please follow me here. So I know a few names, but I want to make sense of if there is anything here that I can be, okay, this is yours truly. He was mentioned, but here in the architecture group. So Ryohei, we know him.
Ryohei.
Yes, yeah. We know Kentaro as well. Now, Joshua Freeman is the one involved with Psi memory, which Satoshi mentioned.
I think so, yes. Just with the long hair.
Exactly, exactly. Very easy to remember. Now, Nathan, that's your colleague, right? Which I met in Osaka, and we discussed a little bit about architecture and memory.
Yeah, actually, Dan is also a main contact point of NVIDIA side for also Fugaku Next projects. So he also involved in both Fugaku Next project and also this FS 3.0.
Right. In a previous life, I mean, my company, Open Parallel Contracting or so on, so I have a client called CodePlay, which was later acquired by Intel, but CodePlay was known by Sickle. And that was put me in touch with Shintaro-san. My question is, this team is doing anything special with new architecture in memory?
Yes,
it has any link with, I don't know, memory manufacturers, architectures, Koreans, Taiwanese?
Yes. Good question. So the previous feasibility study, FS 2.0, we also work with this vendor to explore new technology for Fugaku Next system. So this is kind of, we do not actually develop anything, but we also explore a new technology for.
May I ask which vendor you said?
All the vendor that we joined this project. But for this project, we have a very shortage of budget. This is very small budget problem. That is, originally it has a 20% of budget of FS 2.0, and now from next year we will have a downsized in just 5% of FS 2.0. So it will be difficult to ask vendors to explore. We also give some money from FS 2.0 project to vendors, but this time we will not pay anything to vendor. So we just, instead of developing or surveying a new technology for the next new system, we just would like to share what they are trying to, and then ask for their roadmap to see what the next our Japanese HPC system will be like. So this is how we do for this next feasibility study.
And would you be open, I repeat, this is my CCO hat, would you be open to share some of that and for us to, I don't know, join in one way or other?
Yes, yes. So some of the information is under NDA, so some data may not be able to export, but some of the data will open, and then vendor want us to encourage to advertise their roadmap or the technology that they allow us to export, then we would like to share this.
Because it's I'm linking now with Daisuke-san. If you mentioned 1,000 projects that you can fund under the GPU umbrella for, I don't know, $30,000 or I can't remember the amount of money, but would be that something that we can partner with? Who knows, someone in Japan or any sort of partnership. So our interest is to get in, start the conversation. Yeah. I won't say bluntly, money is not the problem, it's always the problem.
Yeah. Okay,
but
yes.
there could be a way that we can start the conversation because we need to have exposure into a larger ecosystem, to say.
Right, yes. Right, so actually we started, this is not, that is not showing this slide, but we also having another set of NDA with memory vendors, Samsung, HK Hynix, and also Micron. So we also doing the memory technology feasibility study, but we have a we do not have many researchers to do this feasibility study. We have to focus on the particular technology. So we just started focusing on memory technology, but like interconnect, also chip-to-chip connection. And if we expand this feasibility study, we have a shortage of people. So the collaboration with other people is very useful to accelerate this feasibility study.
Fantastic, thank you very much. Is there any other question for Kento-san from the floor?